Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, please go ahead and subscribe to my channel and comment down below and let me know what you guys want to see I make. Today I'll be making my baked chicken in orange juice sauce, and I have my chicken. It's 4.5 pounds of chicken legs, and I'll be baking it in some orange juice sauce. And this is all my spices and seasonings right here. And I put this right here so you guys can see the seasonings that I used. It's Maggi season up, and one of this is just equivalent to 1 tablespoon. So you can just pour it all into the chicken. So let's go ahead. Here is my onions and my garlic and scallion, thyme, pepper, pimento seed, and all of that. And I'm going in with all my spices. Goya, all the Maggi season ups that I showed you earlier on, guys. I'm going in with all of that. Juice sauce. This is my sauce right here. It got 1/2 cup of orange juice. I got a tablespoon of browning, and I have 1/2 tablespoon of soy sauce. I got 1/2 teaspoon of cinnamon powder, 1/2 teaspoon of nutmeg, and 1 tablespoon of sugar. It's not going to be sweet, guys, so don't get carried off with the orange juice and the sugar. And also, I also have 1/2 teaspoon of vinegar. I use apple cider vinegar. And now this is 4 tablespoons of ketchup. And I'm going to throw all of that right in here and give that a nice stir, guys. So I'm mixing all my sauce right here. Like I said, it's orange juice, baked chicken and orange juice sauce. And I'm gonna, sometimes some people do put it on the stove to let it cook down, but for my baked chicken, I'm doing everything all in one. So now I'm gonna go in with this. So now I'm going in with that, guys, and I'm gonna rub this all up. This is gonna be very, very delicious, guys. I want you guys to try it. See all that sauce? You don't need no water in this meat at all. It is delicious also. See all that goodness. And that's how you want it, guys. Now I'm gonna wrap this up, put it in the fridge for like 30 minutes, 1 hour, or if you want to leave it for overnight, it's up to you guys. But I'm gonna show you my finished results when I'm finished with this lovely baked chicken and orange juice sauce. So alright, guys, there you have it. This is my end results. Lovely, lovely baked chicken and orange juice sauce. See, guys? That's what I'm looking for. All that goodness. And I'm gonna have it. Or you can have it like this. I'm gonna have it with some rice and peas and vegetable on the side for my dinner. Okay. She's so craving, she don't want no fork and no spoon. No knife, sorry, no knife and no fork. You thumbs it up the light, it's hot.